Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit money on GatesFX, step by step. First, open your GatesFX account and go to the Funds tab on the left-hand side. Click to expand it, then select Deposit Funds. Next, choose the wallet you want to deposit into. I'll use my default wallet. Then select your deposit method. For this tutorial, we'll use crypto, and click Continue. Now, enter the deposit amount. I'll put $100 for this example. The credit amount will automatically match your deposit. Choose your currency. You can pick from Bitcoin, Ethereum, TRX, USDT, or USDC. For this tutorial, I'll select ETH. Here, make sure to carefully read the minimum deposit requirements and network instructions. Selecting the wrong network could cause your funds to be lost, so double-check everything. Once you've confirmed everything, click Continue. You'll then see your deposit address and a QR code. Use this information to send your crypto to your GatesFX wallet. And that's it. Once your transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your account. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.